Oh my god, I forgot I didn't show you my newest creation in the daylight. No, I haven't named him yet because I'm wambling like mad. I have Luna and Lucille are my other two puppets, and he is Luna's little brother, but I haven't quite settled on anything yet because I have a couple good ones in my brain. But I think maybe once I figure out like his character and his voice, his character kind of, you can kind of tell with him, and he's like little brother type. Anyway, check him out. So ignore the fact that I don't have like the lower half on any of these like at all. I get to a certain point and then I give up, all right? There's no plan when I make these. I just kind of do it. I go into like a trance and then I come out with a little guy. I don't know how it happens. So he's got a ton of stuff stuck to him. Let me give you like a good look at him. He's got a ton of glitter up in his face. His ears have those little like notches in them. Like I love a scrappy little cat. Like my vision here is like he's like a kid's drawing come to life. So he's got all these like beads and glitter and little glow in the dark stars stuck on him. Like a kindergarten dumpster. That's where he lives. Also, he's like colored with fabric crayon. He literally looks like he's colored with crayon. Cause he is. There's like some Scrabble pieces from my job. Googly eyes. What we got? What else is over here? Oh, a sticker that says awesome. These are some car stickers that I got. There's another one that says cool. Wow. Yeah, cool. Wow. This is an Arrested Development reference. Geobead. It was just in my head. I had to do it. So, if you get it, you get it. Oh, these little leaves. Those I ripped off of like an actual kindergarten art project of mine. Oh, yeah, there's like some little kids' drawings stuck on them. Those were mine though. I just ripped them up. My mom gave me like a whole box full of like my artwork from when I was a kid. So I just ripped them up and I stuck them on him. I ripped off stuff that was like on the art projects, like this little bunny. I don't know. That's on there now. I got some Lisa Frank stickers on him. This like old ass M&M sticker with some tickets. Tickets probably from some school events. I don't know, man. He's got those fangs. His mouth isn't fully closed. I imagine he'd just drool all over himself all the time. Oh, it's his pee hand. Yeah, there's a hot dog on his pee hand. He is pretty crusty. He's pretty soft in spots. But then you get to the spots that I just brushed a ton of Elmer's glue and glitter mixed together on him. I don't know, I kind of love him. I think he's gross in the best way. I think they could pass as siblings.